Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무
Gotta open all the windows when the weather is nice. Hi, can I get a chopped cheese on a hero?
Okay.
With just everything.
Onion and pepper. You want lettuce, tomato, mayo, ketchup?
Yes, please.
You got it.
Okay, thank you. You ready to go for a walk? Come here. You ready? Okay. You're ready. Oh, okay. Come here. Let me put my jacket on. Thank you. Good boy. Stay. Look at all the laundry detergent just like chained and locked up. Oh, thank you so much. Let's go. Stop. Good. Break. Comes with a little pickle. I love pickles. I hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful start to their 2024 new year. Actually, in 10 minutes, I have a coffee date with Nicole and James. I'm gonna scarf this down and then head out for coffee. Thank you so much. Thank you. I bought a wok, which I'm very surprised I don't have one. I always see people using this to like cook. Oh, why does that sound so like not right? I'm gonna boil some water just to like clean it out. I don't know. Do you guys do anything with your new cookware? I don't know, maybe it's like a mental thing. One of my favorite dishes when I go eat like Sichuan food is stir-fry garlic cabbage. I'm like salivating. It's so good. It has like a little kick to it. I don't even have like the right chili peppers, but I'm just gonna use serrano pepper. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, black vinegar. While the water's boiling, I'm gonna taste test. Oh god, I love cabbage. I'm watching a new drama on Prime. It's Marry My Husband. I just started, so we'll see how it is. This is my OOTD, ignore the mess in the background. Wearing my little puffy scarf and herringbone blazer. Wearing a cashmere sweater from Esprit. these denim jeans from Korea from a brand called Rave. And Biro, what is this bag called? I forgot what the name is. I am about to head out to go to brunch in this gloomy weather. Yuyen's birthday, so I'm taking her out to brunch. But before I meet up with her, I'm gonna stop by this fragrance store to pick up a little gift. But yeah. These beautiful packagings. So I believe they used to be a pharmacy back in the day. Thank you so much. Mission complete. Now I have to like rush over to West Village. This neighborhood is so vibey. You look cute. I was trying to get your birthday. What? What? Where did you go? Oh, it's so hard. We are in Queens, about to eat some kalguksu because it's really cold out today.
What are you gonna get? Which one?
I think I'm gonna get the orkun spicy kalguksu.
Good?
It tastes like fresh, like they just made it.
Pepper. Good?
I'm eating this 꽈배기. It's like a twisted donut with sugar on it. Oh my god, it's so good. I got it at the Hanyang Korean market in Flushing. And it's like $2 a piece. I got 2. I'm getting ready to go out. It's a Saturday night, going to a birthday party. Just did my makeup, did a little smoky eye with a little bit of purple on the lids. Then now I gotta figure out what to do with my hair and outfit. I'm going to wear this LP top, and I'm excited because I was waiting for an occasion to wear this. H-Mart, doing some grocery. Trying to look for this new shinramyeon. It's called like shinramyeon red, and it's supposed to be really spicy. I want to try it. Maybe it's like a rare kind. One of our favorite things to do on the weekends is go grocery shopping at like different grocery stores. Whoa, look at this beer can.
No. We'll get that too?
Yeah, let's just try it.
Good too.
Look how cool these beer cans are. Cute. Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
guy that I don't help you with putting the groceries away.
Don't worry, I did it for the video. Wait, can I do a shot of the camera? Have the thing open.
Why don't you open the trunk?
Yeah. I'm going to attempt to make suyu. Cloves of garlic, some ginger, some onions, some green onions, pepper, some doenjang. It's not this one. This is not the one my mom had. That was a success.